Space is vast, an endless ocean of stars, planets, and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. It holds unimaginable wonders, including objects so bizarre and powerful, they challenge our understanding of physics and the very fabric of reality. Among these wonders, black holes are some of the most captivating and enigmatic. These cosmic monsters possess gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp, creating a point of no return. But among them, one behemoth reigns supreme, Ton 618, a true giant in the cosmic arena. This isn't just any black hole, it's a cosmic titan that defies comprehension. It's a supermassive black hole, the largest one ever discovered, dwarfing all others in comparison. It lies at the heart of a distant quasar, shining brightly from billions of years in the past, a beacon from the early universe. Its discovery sent ripples through the scientific community, forcing us to reevaluate our models of galactic evolution, the formation of massive structures, and the very nature of the universe itself. The story of Ton 618 began in the 1950s. Astronomers at the Tonantzintla Observatory in Mexico were surveying the sky, looking for faint blue stars. These stars were unusual, often found far from the plane of the Milky Way. During their survey, they stumbled upon something peculiar, Ton 618. Initially, it was classified as a faint blue star, but something didn't add up. It emitted strong radio waves, something stars typically don't do. Further observations in the 1970s revealed its true nature, a quasar, a distant galaxy with an intensely bright center powered by a supermassive black hole. Measuring the mass of a black hole is no easy feat. These cosmic giants are invisible to the naked eye, making direct observation impossible. We can't see them directly, so we have to rely on their effects on their surroundings. The gravitational pull of a black hole influences everything around it. In the case of Ton 618, scientists looked at the speed of gas clouds swirling around it. These gas clouds are caught in the intense gravitational grip of the black hole. These clouds, heated to millions of degrees, emit light that we can analyze. The light provides crucial data about the conditions near the black hole. By measuring how fast these clouds are moving, we can calculate the gravitational pull of the black hole. The speed of the gas clouds is directly related to the black hole's mass. The faster the clouds, the stronger the gravity, and the more massive the black hole. This relationship helps scientists estimate the mass of these enigmatic objects. The results were astounding. Ton 618 weighs in at an estimated 66 billion times the mass of our Sun. This makes it one of the most massive black holes ever discovered. To put that into perspective, if Ton 618 were at the center of our solar system, it would swallow everything out to and beyond the orbit of Pluto. The sheer scale of such a black hole is almost beyond human comprehension. Section 4. Seeing the Invisible. Deciphering Ton 618's secrets. While we can't see Ton 618 directly, we can observe its effects on its surroundings. The material falling into the black hole forms an accretion disk, a swirling disk of gas and dust heated to extreme temperatures. This disk emits intense radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves to X-rays. By studying this radiation, we can learn a great deal about the black hole itself. We can estimate its spin, its magnetic field, and how much material it's consuming. These observations provide valuable insights into the physics of black holes and their role in the evolution of galaxies. Section 5. The universe's grand design, Ton 618 and our place in the cosmos. The discovery of Ton 618 challenges our understanding of the early universe. This supermassive black hole, located billions of light years away, is one of the most massive objects ever discovered. It's so massive that it pushes the limits of our current models of black hole formation. With a mass of over 66 billion times that of our Sun, Ton 618 defies conventional theories. How did such a colossal object form so early in the universe's history? This enigma has led scientists to reconsider the processes that govern black hole growth and galaxy formation. This question continues to puzzle astronomers. Theories range from rapid accretion of gas to mergers of smaller black holes, but no definitive answer has been found. Ton 618 serves as a stark reminder of the vastness and mystery of the universe. It exemplifies the incredible scales and complexities that exist beyond our everyday experiences. It's a place of unimaginable scales and energies, where the laws of physics are pushed to their limits. The study of such objects helps us understand the fundamental nature of the cosmos. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we can expect to find even more awe-inspiring objects that challenge our perceptions and deepen our appreciation for the wonders of the universe. Each discovery brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of our existence and our place in the grand design of the cosmos.